if you're a veteran, there's so much opportunity available for you, right? Especially when it comes to winning government contracts. First, the government is the biggest buyer in the world, right? And they buy everything. If you're a veteran, they've mandated that some amount of money must be spent with you guys at the federal level, okay? So to become a certified veteran-owned business, right? Go to the SBA. First of all, the VA, the Veterans Affairs, used to handle the certification process for veterans, right? But the SBA has now taken over that process. So reach out to the SBA and ask them, can I register my business as a veteran-owned business, right? When you register as a veteran-owned business, you have access to so many different opportunities where you can win the contract and deliver the service directly to the government. There's other certifications that you can use, but if you're a veteran, you should definitely get that veteran-owned certification because a lot of advantages come with that, okay? So go to the SBA.gov and click the federal contracting tab, go on there, and then you'll be able to see different certifications. Register for the veterans. I believe the government is mandated that 3% of all government spending must be spent with veteran businesses, right? So definitely tap into that. There's a lot of you guys out there and not enough of you guys pursuing contracts. You want contract away, and I'll see you on the next one.